Mimi ni mkaaji wa Nyamarambe. Vile wenzetu wamesema, sisi kitu tunataka ni hospitali yetu ifunguliwe. Tangu juzi, tangu jana, wagonjwa wamekuja hapa, wanafika kwa gate, wanarudi, wanaenda hospitali nyingine. Tungeomba management ifungue hospitali, na tunasema wale madaktari, hakuna mtu anagusa madaktari. Tunahakikishia kuna amani, warudi hospitali immediately, waende kusaidia watu wetu.
Watufungulie hospitali yetu kwa amani. Then hatupembelezani kwamba wafungue, kwa sababu hospitali ni yetu, iko South Mugirango. Na mali ya South Mugirango heshimiwe.
Yes.
Hatutaki hata siku moja hata kitu kidogo kitolewe.
After a short while, when the machine was being loaded into the vehicle, a gentleman appeared from nowhere and appeared to be taking a video clip, and we asked him gently what he was doing, and he said that he was taking the video clip to record the work that was being done. So we requested him politely that we were not comfortable with that event, and he retreated. While retreating, he was seen waving towards the gate where a crowd of youths charged towards us, shouting that they wanted to kill the thieves who had come to pick the machine. Remember that communication had been done and authorization had been received from the chief officer, who was aware of all this. The SMOH, who is the head of the institution at Nduru Level 4 Hospital, was equally informed. So when they charged towards us, they started beating some of our members, one of whom is actually not here because he got injured and had a mental breakdown from that attack.
Yesterday we did an official communication to the county and the other relevant authorities to do thorough investigation of that incident. I want to emphasize that as healthcare workers, doctors, nurses, clinicians, we took an oath. Healthcare workers can work anywhere and we work without partiality. So that incident still shocks us, and as we advise the healthcare workers, all of them to withdraw their services till that position remains, until such a time we feel it's secure for them to resume back to work.